She left us suckers. Ready? This is where it's gonna go.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Cassie, Ellison's sister, we subleased it, so she left us some stuff. She left us literally everything. So, I mean, we got shit. She left us some stuff. So it's not completely empty, but getting there. This is how it looks. I'll do a whole tour. I do a whole tour when everything's full. But here's just an empty, people are asking me for an empty house tour. This is it. Boom. We got a whole outside. How cool is that? Allison's sister had this place before, so you can tell she did not clean up anything. Oh, hey, she left one of the toys Molly likes playing with.
Really?
Yeah, it's outside. I guess Blue brought it out there.
Oh yeah, she probably just didn't get in.
Yeah, because then there's another toy right there. And then she left it that. And then this. Look what she did right before she left. I'm going to get it on film. She broke that. Ellison's mom, her mom, Cassie's mom, I guess. All their moms. Fixed it. But, I mean, you can definitely tell someone chipped the wall and retried to paint it. So I hope we don't get charged with that because we're subleasing it from her. That'd be a really douchey move. But, yeah, there it is. You can definitely tell. This is our stuff right here. This is stuff that Cassie wants Allison to sell. You know, Allison's a good seller. I'm helping. What? Oh, shit. Where are we taking it? Oh, well, it's down. It's down. At least she left us a bed thing. That's pretty cool, don't you think?
Yeah, it's nice too.
Yeah. And then in here is just this thing, which is really disgusting. I don't like how it's in the bedroom. I would like this to be... How cool would this be if this was a second freaking closet? That'd be pretty cool. But nope, it's just this ugly thing that I'm probably never going to open up this door. There you go. That's it, guys. That's it. Oh, we got another closet right here, which is... She left us a little bit of stuff. But yeah, that's the tour. I'll definitely make another tour when we get everything in here. Because the big L couch, guys, we have a big L couch, kind of. I think, is it called an L couch? Yeah. We're planning on having the big L couch right there, if it'll fit. That's our plan. I also want to show you guys this. Well, I just want to, like, have proof. Like, we just moved in and the stuff wrong with it. Like, I don't know if I can do anything about it, but just in case. Like, dog hole right there from Blue. There was a couple dog holes. I just can't find it. There's one right here. This thing is taped down because there's dog holes. We're going to try to fix it, but I just want to, like, have proof that we didn't do it. And then, yeah, the wall. Yeah.